In this video, I'll show you how to insert fractions in Google Docs. So look at this one. If you don't want something like this and you actually wanted this one, I'll show you exactly how you do it. So you place your cursor wherever you want to enter your fraction. So let's say we'll do it right here. Make sure you come here and click on Insert. And then I want you to click on Equation. After you do that, you get these equation options, right? So there we go. We can type an equation, but what we want is the, underline like this to insert your fraction. So we have different options of Greek letters, miscellaneous operations, relations. What we need is the fourth option right here for math operations. If I click on this, we get multiple options. I want you to click on this first one right here. This will give you the option to put in fractions. So type in your first number. For example, we want to do a third. So type in 1, press the right arrow, then type in your other number. And there you go. So if you want to increase the size, you just highlight that. You can increase the font sizes as well. Okay. Or even decrease it. Right. And it will reflect. There you go. And it's really that easy and simple.